Okay, today I wanted to show you the drainaway tray and how it works and all the different options that you have. Today we are using a 15.5-inch white tray. This is the middle size tray. This comes in 3 different sizes. There's the 12-inch, the 15.5-inch, and the 22-inch. For the pot that we have today, we will be using the 15.5-inch. This is just a porcelain pot, but you can use any kind of pot, fabric, terracotta, concrete, plastic, whatever you want. You can see here that the elevated center pedestal is, see, it's raised from the gutter. Now, this is key because your plant would never sit in any runoff. Now, also, depending on your deck, so this one, we're just going to set it on the edge of the deck and we won't need any fittings. But if you wanted to add some length or chain some together, this is a threaded spout, standard 3/4 inch, standard thread. So if I could get it on there. PVC fittings screw right on here. So this is if you wanted to chain several together, you could use a PVC tee to do that. Or you could use something like this, an elbow, if you just wanted to get it off the edge of your deck a little farther. So again, your center pedestal is where your pot sits. You ideally want your pot to be larger than the center pedestal. So you want it to kind of cover the gutter. All of the support underneath is right in this ring here and the feet. So you want it to be, you do not want your pot to be smaller than the center pedestal. The gutter is sloped towards the drain spout. I don't know if you can see that. And the drain spout is lower than the tray, so you don't have stuff puddling up. So let's get this underneath here. Oh, another cool feature, this sticker is awesome because it just peels right off. It's made of a plastic that is not nasty and sticky and you gotta peel all the crap off, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so ABS plastic, made in America, UV inhibitors, so you can put them outside, all the good stuff. So you just essentially have to move your pot out of the way just a little bit. See, there's already some dirt on the deck. Mind you, this deck needs to be replaced anyway, but this will help it last a little bit longer. You put your tray on the deck, just wherever you would like. Then you get your pot, and you might need some help because your pot might be heavy. Wait to water until you've done this because it's a little heavier when you have watered them. Then you just pick your pot up. Set it on your drain tray. Make sure it's in the center. Pull your tray out just enough so that you are off your deck here, so that when you're watering, it's coming off your deck, and then you're ready to go. Let's water and see what happens. The great thing is you can use this for auto watering. Everybody's busy, right? No one can remember to water their plants. Well, if you have a drainaway tray, you can just do auto watering. And then everything is caught in that gutter and will drain out, not getting your deck rotten, water stained, your concrete patio. I mean, who's sick of that, right? Every year you have to either pressure wash your concrete patio, you have to replace your deck boards because it is rotten. Let's get you just a little bit closer so you can see here when it starts to run off. Oh, hear that sound? There it is. So you can see all the water is running out of the pot, down the sloped gutter, and through the spout. So no more water on your deck, no more water on your patio, no more having to jump over a little stream to get across. Perfect.